Kilaog Primary School was established in 2019 and formally opened on January 2020. The school is located in the middle of Dole Banana Plantation at Kilaog, Poblacion, Sumilao, Bukidnon. The main purpose of establishing the school was for the safety of the school children of Kilaog.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yun.
For they needed to cross the bridge, and during rainy seasons, most of the time there was flood. Even if there was a bridge, the water will overlap and it was not safe for the learners to cross the bridge. Most of the learners would choose to be absent from the class because of their safety and because the school was far from Kilaog and they needed to walk approximately 3.5 kilometers twice a day. Due to these prevailing circumstances, most of them were struggling readers. Kilaog Primary School Best Reading Practices. Kilaog Primary School caters the needs of the learners in improving their reading skills by crafting innovations that have been proven effective in catering the needs of our struggling readers. For kindergarten, grades 1, 2, and 3, the teachers were able to craft an innovation that uses music in improving the reading level of the learners. This innovation is entitled Reading in Melody. This innovation has been proven effective in improving the reading level of the learners. For grades 4 and 5, the innovation is entitled Intensive Daily Reading Activity. This is done daily for learners to continue improving their reading skills. That is regardless if they are struggling readers or not. For grade 6, the innovation is entitled Selection, Chunking, and Mastering. In this innovation, the teacher will chunk the selection and will choose the difficult words found in the selection and will allow the learners to read the difficult words over and over again for them to master reading all the difficult words. And after reading the difficult words, they will finally read the selection. Why did you decide to craft an innovation?
I have decided to craft an innovation because I have found out that my learners have difficulties in identifying letter sound, and I observed that my learners love music, and so it motivates them to learn and improve. I have crafted reading in melody. This innovation has been proven effective in improving the reading level of my learners because the action research on this has been approved by the Division of Bukidnon.
Why did you decide to craft an innovation?
I have decided to craft the innovation intensive daily reading activity because I have found out that I have learners who are slow readers and they belong to frustration level. What I did was I had fill a pre-test and then crafted the innovation entitled EDRA. EDRA is a daily reading activity. This innovation has been proven effective because I've used this in my action research and it was approved by the division office.
Why did you decide to craft an innovation?
I have decided to craft an innovation because when I was transferred here in Calauag Primary School way back April 2023, I have found out that my learners have difficulties in reading difficult words. So what I did is that I have crafted selection, chunking, and mastering, in which I will chunk the selection and then I will choose the difficult words in that selection and I will let my learners read it over and over again until they will master reading those difficult words. And then by the time that they have mastered reading the difficult words found in the selection, I will let them read the whole selection. This innovation is proven effective. Why? Because I've used this innovation in crafting my action research proposal and I have presented it in the district level and it was approved. And the action research, which is full-blown action research, was approved by the division office. Learners' success story.
Course, ganun oral sa eskwela sa Calauag Primary School. Isa ako sa estudyante dire. Ako, dili ko pakabasa sugod sa grade 3, paing sa grade 4. Apan, nitudluan ako pag-ayo sa akong maestro sa pagbasa. Hantod, dili nako kaya i-pronounce. Iya kining ibalik-balik ug dili siya muundang hantod dili nako mabasa. Ug dako akong pasalamat kay naanay eskwelahan dire og daghan na iyang matduan ng mga bata nga pareha nako di kaayo kabalo ga basa. Karon dako kay akong pasalamat kay ako nakabalo na og basa og sa tanan tabang sa akong maestro maestra. Ako dako gid akong pasalamat kay inyo kung ituduan og pagbasa.
Ako si Amara Yuri C. Bunbon, grade 6 student. Nag-eskwela kini sa Calauag Primary School. Giatagan ni sa among maestra og basahon og gitudluan ni niya basa kada adto.
Ako si Jan Tanidi Uraw, grade 6 student sa Calauag Primary School. Among maestra gatagaan niyag lisod nga word amo dayong balik-balikon ug basa hantod amo nang master. Nagpasalamat ako sa akong teacher kay ila kong itudluan og basa.
club organization, no? So we have different sports organization or sports club, no? As a sports coordinator, creating a successful sports club is more than just organizing games or training sessions. It's about building a community for fostering passion and giving our learner a space to thrive and excel in different kinds of sports. Aja!
Welcome! Today, we're diving into the key elements that make a sports club not just functional, but truly successful. Creating a school badminton team, a chess club, and a track and field here in Kilaog Primary School. As a school in charge here in Kilaog Primary School, first, it all begins with a clear vision. Why we want to start this club? What we hope to achieve? Whether it is creating a space for local athletes to develop, or building a team that competes at the highest level. Defining our mission is essential. We want to develop the learners, especially in the field of sport. Next, leadership is crucial. A successful sports club needs strong, passionate learners, coaches, board members, and volunteers who not only guide and inspire, but also organize, manage, and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Building a great team culture is just as important. A successful club isn't only about the win, it's about fostering teamwork, respect, and trust. It's about making sure every member feels valued, whether they're an elite athlete or someone just joining for the love of the game. It's about long-term planning. Successful clubs invest in their future. That means developing young talent, maintaining facilities, and keeping the spirit of the club alive for years to come. So whether you're just getting started or looking to take your existing club to the next level, these principles are your foundation. With a strong vision, passionate leadership, a supportive culture, and a sustainable plan, you can build something truly remarkable.
Aniata karon sa Kilaog Primary School Badminton Club. Karon natay interviewhon isa ka coach o isa ka player. Hello, unsa to ngalan?
Rodelyn.
Nakoy pangutana sa imo. Pila na imong edad? 10. Karon pangutan on taka. Unsa man imong rason nga ni apil man ka sa badminton club?
Kaya pagkaroon nga ako nga, naay game mga badminton club sa Kilaog Primary School. Kaya nag-interview ko.
Coach na po atong interview. Sa kaya ngalan, ma'am?
Okay, I'm Coach Abigail Candelario.
Ako pangutan na sa imo, ma'am. Unsa ang rason nga nung sa kadagan sa sports, badminton na dito nang napili?
So, usa ka coach, ang una gyud nga rason kay naagi diri atong hilig no sa badminton player sa una. So, kung makita nato ang badminton kay dili lang gyud siya physical nga sports, na diha ang agility o ang kinahanglan pud ang strategy ani.
Unsa may mga naagi ani mo, mga na-experience nimo sa paghandle sa badminton as a coach? Unsa imo mga problema o unsa imo mga sinati?
Labi na karon sa ato ang eskwelahan nga adunay mga kakulangan sa mga materials. Isip usa ka coach ang una gid nato nga mga maingon nga unsa ni siya mga problema kay ang availability sa atong mga equipment. Labi na karon ang atong player nagkaubay-ubay na sad. Apan kulang paghihapon ang ato ang mga equipments. Nanginahanglan paghihapon ta og dugang na mga equipment sa racket, sa mga kuan, sa mga shuttlecock nga kung diin sa usa ka sports mao gyud ang basic nga kinahanglan usa ka makakuan ta aning sports nga badminton.
Man ang na-experience nimo sa mga coach o unsa ang pagdala nila sa inyo nga mga player pag-handle nila unsa man nimo na-experience?
Ang maya sila ka-atiban sa mga apil og badminton, sa mga buwan pa coach na dagan ga tabang manaang ga
So palangga mo nila.
ganang dagang ga support nga naay ga support na pamilya, mga coach sa badminton ug more.
Karong adlaw among giila og gisaulog ang kalampusan sa usa sa among estudyante nga nakadaog sa track and field girls category ug usa siya sa mga naka third place. Okay, unsa man imong nabati or gibati nga ikaw nakadaog ni ining sports?
Ako malipayon.
Yung mga training Robilin.
Natulog ko kada adlaw deres nga sagingan ikaw walo kung natuyok kung nag-drills ikaw man exercise.
Interviewon ang atong trainer, no? Sa ato ang sports club. Okay, so may buntag Sir Arky.
Okay, magbuntag sa tanan.
Okay, so ano mang imo man yung gi-organize ng sports club, sir?
Okay, una, to promote healthy lifestyle, no? So, kinahanglan jud ang bata para mapalambo pud ang ilang pagunahon na kinahanglan pud nga healthy ang ilang kaugalingon. So, ikaduha, ang mga bata pud matagaan og equal nga opportunity. So, ang mga bata madili ga excel sa academics. So, naapoy time nga ma-excel sila dito sa sports, no? Katulo, naay mga naapoy mga events nga kinahanglan magpartisipar ang atong eskwelahan, matagaan pud nato og dungog ang atong eskwelahan sa pinaagi sa paghatag og mga atleta nga gikan sa Kilaog Primary School. So mo na siya ang mga purpose ngano naghimo ta og mga sports club.
Ano man ang mga training na nagawa, sir?
Okay, sa Kilaog Primary School, no, ga-arrive yun nag-early ang atong mga athletes, no? So, before flag ceremony sa Monday or every day, before magsulod sa klase, natagitawag og drills. Tanan athletes, volleyball, players, athletic, track and field, badminton, o uban pa nga mga sports, giawhag na silang maapil sa stretching. After stretching, some drills, no, footwork, o uban pa nga mga drills. After ana, na-identify, mga na din sila sa ilahang mga court o ilahang mga area para buhaton ang nagkalain-lain na sad nga mga drills and practice sa ilahang sports. And then after ana, ay din sila mosulod sa klase nga humana og exercise o stretching. Pinaagi sa pagdala pod og kanang extra nga mga t-shirt o tubig para pagsulod sa klase kuan gyapon sila kanang humot o wala nagkasingot-singot.
Mag-interview ta karon sa coach nga si Ma'am Janela. Ma'am, nganong nag-organize man ka ni nga dula dito sa eskwelahan?
Since as a teacher, player po sa chess sa una, sa elementary at saka sa college. So, nabalaan ako nga walay kabalo diri gadula og chess. So, nagsugod ko og tudlo last year sa mga grade 4 or grade 5 na ako nga mga estudyante. So ang uban nakabalo, ang uban pod lahi nga sports ilahang ipadayon. So nalipay lang ko kay naanay mga 4 or 5 diri sa Kilaog nga makabalo na og dula og chess.
Karon unsa man ang mga best practices nga imuhang natun-an para ihatag sa mga bata? Karon sa gamay pa man sila makabalo, so ang ako lang is routine na mo everyday nga magdula sila sa ilahang mga members sa amuhan chess club. So mag round robin me, so ako lang silang gatudluan o mga simple opening sa mga chess o dili po na ko sila i-pressure jud nga kailangan makadaog. Ang ila lang is kung ganahan pa sila magdula, padayon lang, bahala na og perminti mapildi or perminti balik-balik lang kada adlaw kay ang chess nga dula is dili siya ma-master in a day. So kailangan nimo og mga experience nga magdula jud mo na siya. So karon nalipay nako kay daghan nag-appeal sa amuhang chess club. So mga
nanami mga 6 ka members o growing na dayon. Kanang salamat.